This hitch receiver adapter set is a practical way to run both 2 and 1/2 inch and 2-inch accessories from a 3-inch receiver without juggling multiple hitches. The two-piece sleeve design gives you flexibility to use it either as a 3-inch to 2 and 1/2 inch adapter or as a reducer down to a 2-inch shank when needed. Both sleeves are made from thick, high-strength steel, so they feel solid in hand and hold up well under regular towing loads when matched to the hitch rating. The carbide-style black powder coating resists rust, chips, and sun damage, which is especially helpful if your truck lives outside or sees winter road salt. Installation is straightforward because the sleeves simply slide into the receiver and line up with the existing pinhole, with no extra hardware or tools required beyond a standard hitch pin. Overall, this set is a convenient solution for owners of heavy-duty trucks with 3-inch receivers who want to tow different trailers and use various hitch-mounted accessories without constant swapping.